My name is Santa Crabasa, and today we're gonna be this is a shout out towards Fire God 123 and towards Microwave 123. They're really good friends of mine, and Microwave 123 has 26 subscribers, way more than Fire God and me. And so yeah, go subscribe to him. You can do like a sub to sub, if you know what I'm saying, to Fire God or Microwave. So yeah, I just wanted to tell you guys that, and I'll see you in the next video. See ya.